Hi everyone. Today I am going to take you through my journey at Ashiana. I am Namita. I am AVP Pune, currently handling a senior living project in Pune called Ashiana Amut. So I joined Ashiana in 2007 as a senior sales executive. I was being hired. I was based out of Delhi and handling one of the projects of Bhiwadi. I am from UP and I did my graduation and post graduation both from Delhi. So after spending about 6 months to 8 months in another company, I moved to Ashiana, and that was a walk-in interview. And the first interface I had with Ankur Gupta, now director, and Mr. Vivek Ganju. He was then leading sales. But the kind of warmth I could see and feel with the kind of interaction, though it was a sales oriented and target oriented profile I was applying for, the kind of questions they had and the feeling and the vibes, I would say, that got passed on to me was very positive. So that is the reason I think that I joined Ashiana, because it just clicked for me. Then also the working environment and the people around me was very important. So that I could feel during the interview, and when I joined it, I think it all came through. So it's been 17 years for me in this company, long but yet a very fulfilling journey. I did get my growth from time to time. Being a female also into real estate industry, I never felt unsafe within the industry. On the contrary, I felt very safe. My family actually used to say, Ashiana has become your first home than us, because I used to spend so much of time and I was very happy whenever I was coming to office. So in 2022, an IJP got rolled out within the organization for AVP position, wherein you will be entirely in charge for one of the projects, handling the entire business operations of that particular project. It somehow intrigued me. The reason I would say, I think I wanted to do something more challenging. I wanted to learn more, and I wanted to drive Ashiana's culture to a new location in a very different manner. So when this position got rolled out, I went to HR head, Surbhi ma'am, I went to Ankur sir to understand, will it add value to me in my career growth? And to my surprise, after heading marketing and after spending so many years, the kind of motivation I could get from within the organization to take this new role was just amazing. It was motivating for me. The management asked me to take this plunge, to move to a new location. I had my daughter with me, with whom I had to move in here. So it was a very big decision for me, because I think after moving from my hometown, the entire life I have stayed only in Delhi. So it was a very huge move for me. I cleared this interview and I started having my apprehensions and anxiety before moving to this new role. So I spoke with Deepak. Deepak is VP Sales. I spoke with him that I'm getting worried about that, will I be able to perform or not? And one thing he said, and I think it just clicked me, that anxiety is good. If you're getting anxious, that means you will be ready, you will prepare yourself very well, and you will succeed in whatever you will do. And I think it was a very motivating line for me. Then I went to Ankur sir, and first thing he asked me that, what are you getting apprehensive about? What are your fears like? Let's just list them down. And the way he structured the entire structured my fears into I would say with a pen and paper, and we discussed about it. The kind of feeling I got that it's okay. Anxiety is good, fear is good, and it's okay if you're getting apprehensive about it, and you will sail it through. Then I moved to Pune. I would say that the way Damle sir, my reporting VP, supported me, settling me down here with my personal life, professionally, the kind of space he had given me to settle down into a new location, the training he gave me, the kind of exposure he gave me, I think it really helped me. Behaviorally, he helped me a lot. That skill set is one thing, but yes, taking this larger role, behaviorally how you should be behaving. Position comes with lot of responsibility. At the same time, I would say organization gives you a lot of authority to take lot of decisions. You are empowered. You are given the entire picture, the vision of how the things should be, and then left that you should take decisions on your own. And one thing good about it is, even if we fail, it's okay. We are there for you. So at Ashiana, I was into sales and marketing and spent about 13 years into this domain. But this role as an AVP involved a lot of different functions, like construction, land, legal, licensing, which I was not aware of, and that is the reason I was apprehensive when I took this role. but I must admit and appreciate the kind of support I got from team, from locally and from head office. It just made my journey so smooth and comfortable. They answered all my queries and questions, however small it was, with so much of patience and not, I would say, judging me that taking this larger role, but I don't know these small things. So that really helped me during this journey. There were seniors who guided me, and there were juniors also who asked all my queries. So entire journey was, I would say, the happiness question which I had during sales and marketing. It continued into this position also. Yes, this position comes with lot of responsibility because you are the wholesale custodian of the entire customer interface. So whatever decisions you will take will eventually affect the customer and will impact the brand Ashiana as a whole. Earlier it was a small organization, but right now it has grown. But the kind of time and energy organization is spending on its people, the kind of processes and systems company has evolved, learned, and put it into the practice. I think this is something that if you want to work on yourself, if you want to grow, company would work with you, organization would work with you. They will work on your strengths, which will continue, and they will try to improve on your weaknesses. Every time you will feel within this company that we are in this together. You will not feel that you are being left alone. So there will be people to hold hands, there will be a lot of mentors to catch hold of, where they can guide you. So it just helps you and make the entire thing very smooth. And I would say I have made my mistakes because I have so much of experience in this company. I have made my mistakes, but I never got scared to admit those in front of my seniors. And I think the very reason of it was I know that I would not be judged. I would not be judged. My growth or my career will not be hampered because of this. What they will tell me, learn from it and move forward. So every time this kind of mistake happen, I am very open to admit my mistakes. I think that gives a lot of motivation, and that brings a lot of transparency also within the system, and that has now become Ashiana's, again I would say, DNA. The kind of interactions you have, the kind of mahal it provides, it just gets imbibed in you. It is not forceful, it comes naturally, and that is the reason we are able to take these leadership positions, wherein organization is able to trust us, because they know that if there something is going wrong, we will be the first person to tell them, and that is a confidence organization is only given to us. Last year when I moved to this location, Pune was setting up. It was a new branch, new people were getting onboarded, especially in senior living. So it just helped, and what I wanted to do was basically driving that values and culture, which Ashiana's DNA, I would say, right? And the way we are being trained and the kind of mahal we have grown into all these years, I think that has become part of us, and that is the reason we want that new kids when they are joining it, that is something it targets hoga. Obviously sales hai target hoga, construction hai target hoga, but they should be happy when they are coming to office. The environment of office should be such कि उनको मन करे कि यार नहीं यार office जाना है, rather than it looks like a burden. So I think that is a thing as a leader we should all be driving, and that is a thing I think I also drove in my. You will see my team. You would find happy faces here. And reading, I would say, in this context becomes a very important role among Ashiana. We spend a lot of time and energy and money on books which we have to read. And lately I was reading a book called Ideal Team Player, wherein 3 words really struck me and I could so well relate to them. And these 3 words were being humble, being hungry to do more, and be very smart with your people. When I say smart with your people, I mean that you do know how to take care of your people. So I think if you're able to relate with any of these 3 words and in a combination, then Ashiana is a place where you should be.